Alright, on this video, I want to do a small back test of last week using my Heikin-Ashi EMA reentry indicator. It's these lines over here. The blue line is buy lines. The red is sell, and the orange is sell, and this is from Friday, Monday, the 2nd of February, to this last Friday, the 6th. Okay, so I'm not gonna do, I'm just gonna do basic risk management, kind of logic, stop losses, points, and whatnot. Okay, so let's start over here first. This is the 15-minute charts, and this is the settings. This is the settings I have on the indicator. Okay, so anyway. So let's start with the first one. The first one, this is the first one. You enter over here, you put the stop loss, kind of like over here, 17 points on ES, you got stopped out, okay? So I'm gonna do that, turn it red. And obviously, with this being a 15-minute chart, you wanna be doing micros, right? You don't wanna be doing a whole mini on this because that's a lot of points. If you're doing prop firms, you're not gonna last long, okay? So let's say we're doing 2 micros. Okay, let's say establish that we're doing 2 micros. So let's do over here 2 micros. Okay, I'm gonna leave that over there. All right, so that was the loss. Okay, the next one, we got a runner over here. We had the ideally, let's say we got the 40 points. So we got a winner, 40 points, okay? 40 points. And remember, this indicator does not repaint or nothing like that, okay? This one here. Oh, one more thing. 17 points is actually kind of crazy, okay? So when I wouldn't enter at the end of this candle because top loss will be too long. What I do is when I get a big candle like that, I'll turn on the volume footprint chart, okay, and I enter on the value area low of the candle, okay. So that first entry is actually gonna be a lot less, okay. So I'll enter instead of the candle closure over there, I'll enter over here. This line right here is the value area low of that candle. So I wait for a retracement, right? So that makes it a 6.75 stop loss, but I actually, with this strategy, I'll probably do 10 points stop loss, okay? 10 points stop loss, okay? So let's say we got stopped out at 10 points, okay? Turn the candles back to normal, 10 points, okay? So we did get stopped out at 10 points, okay? Boom. The next one, obviously, this one is a winner, okay? Over here, this one is a loser. Let's do 10 points. Stopped out right away, pretty much. 10 points. Okay. This one, how much we got over here? We have 10 points winner. Okay. Now, if you held it, if you held the 10 points, if you held you kept a 10-point stop loss, you didn't get taken out, right? You're still in this trade over here, went almost to stop out, and then gave you another signal, right? But let's say you took it out over here, right? That's 9.5. You get another one over here. This one is 13 points. And then you got this big one over here. 129 points. Then we have this one over here. This one got you 44 points. And then this one over here got you another one, 17 points. This one is kind of tricky. Let's see this one here. On this case, you want to do the stop loss below this candle over here, because this otherwise he will be too short. So your stop loss over here kind of goes above the 10 points, but that's structurally where you want to put it, below this candle over there, right? So this one will give you 19 points, and this one here will give you 27 points. This one is a loss. Points. And that's it. Okay, that's for the strategy. So now we get the calculator. Pull out the calculator. Got, no, I put a multiplication over there somewhere. God damn it. I fucked this up over here. Ah, damn it. I'm gonna do the calculation again. Okay, so we have minus 10. So we have a total of 280 points on the week. This is using this indicator on the week. If we do that times 2 micros, okay, times 2 micros, if micro is $5 per point, you know, that's without the commissions and all the stuff, right? So we're just doing simple calculation. So we're talking about $10 per point. So that's $2,800 basically, right? And we only had 2 losing trades, right? So that times 10, $2,800, right? So 280 points, $2,800 trading 2 micros on the week. Now, you know, take that with a grain of salt, because it takes a lot to hold all these trades like this, right? Like, for example, this move over here, and this move is 5 hours, right? This move over here is 38, right? So, but let's say, you know, average is 129. What's this? Let's do the average, okay? So we have, what's the average? 40 over here, plus, let's do 10, plus 10, and plus 13, plus 129, plus 44, plus 17, plus 19, plus 19, plus 28. All right, so on average, we have 300 points. I mean, total, we have 300 points. That's without counting the losing trades, okay? So if we divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, on average, 37 points per trade on average, right? So that's not bad, if you aim for that much. But it's then you can even aim for like 20 points per trade, and you're good to go too. That's quite a bit of points. That's a 1 to 2 risking 10 points, 1 to 2. That's good, So that's only with this indicator. That's one of the indicators that I really like that I created. So that's it for this week. Later on, I'm gonna do another back test for one of my other indicators, and see. I recently created these indicators, and I'm still back testing them and all that. I do use them, but I do not hold for these long moves. Sometimes I take out the trade at 20 points, and then I just watch it go 20 points more. But it is what it is. So that's it for today. I'll check out the Monday. I do another back test and with this indicator. If you want to use this indicator, I do have it published on TradingView, but you just gotta look for this over here or look at my profile, right? And then you see my scripts, and it's this one right here, okay? And all you gotta do is like this person here requested access, and I give her access, right? And that's it. Just send me a message on TradingView or comment on YouTube your username on TradingView, and I'll give you access for it. Right now, I'm giving access to everybody that asks.